Hi there, these comments are for a student who completed an integrated writing practice test. I'm going to give you some feedback on this right now so you can get a general idea of what your overall score is based on your performance on this practice test. So let's get the rubric. So I have the actual rubrics here. So sometimes in your writing, you definitely have a good organization. I like how you kind of connect the main points from the reading and the lecture in the first paragraph. Then you start with a point by point contrast between reading and the listening points that you read and you've also listened to. So I think your organization is pretty good. Now, every now and then, like this example here, you say the lecturer argues that you want to say here, even though, you forgot to put that, even though polarized present in the water could not harm the water level, could not, how about could not increase, maybe is better, the water level. The permafrost, which is present on land, is the main cause. Excuse me. So there's a few minor word choice issues here and there, but overall you definitely have a good structure to your ideas. I checked the grammar and the vocabulary. According to Microsoft Word, your average sentence length is 24, about 25 words. That's pretty good. Your vocabulary level, characters per word, is 4.6. So your grade level is 11.6, which is a little bit low. I'd like to see you go about 2 grade levels higher than this. So you can do this by using more advanced vocabulary words. I think get them to maybe 5 words per character would be better than say 4.6. That'd probably help you get up to maybe a grade level of 13 or 14. So you're definitely kind of moving in the right direction on that. I think everything else is pretty good, so let's take a look at the rubrics here. I'm going to put you at 24 to 25 points on this practice test. I think that is a good estimation of your writing level right now. And thank you for doing this writing practice test.